Hi, folks. Good morning. We go begin this show with the pray to the saints. Help us in this work today. Is important. We invoke the presence of the Father Pio and Saint Augustine and of the Holy Virgin Mary and your husband Saint Joseph for don't happen don't injustice in this show. Pray to our Lord our actions for you begin and for you end all these things. What you go made for the name of our Lord Jesus Christ. Amen. Holy Mother for God, pray for us. This prayer is a mix of the prayer of the teacher Olavo de Carvalho and the teacher, the priest Paulo Ricardo Chori too. If you want no good teachers to you, then had semi courses of philosophy, theology, story, all things of high intellectuality. So it's very good teachers. And the Olavo de Carvalho of the Seminário de Filosofia, I believe it's .org, and the Paulo Ricardo.org too. Okay. Guys, I begin with the sound of the band React with the students of Olavo, the good students of Olavo de Carvalho, who is the teacher and the persecutor of all this revolution culture in Brazil, and I believes in the word because the revelation of this teacher show to all people on the internet with your courses. He is a journalist for many years. He received a green card of United States by you brilliant ideas, like the man who received the same green card is the Albert Einstein, the green card to genius. Olavo de Carvalho received two because he was persecuted in Brazil, and the socialists tried to kill him too, and he escaped to United States, and he received this green card of the Albert Einstein, showing you capacity intellectual on the Albert Einstein Nobel of the physics, and it's a genius knowledge for our world. I believe, I don't know, but I believe Olavo de Carvalho is a genius biggest what Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein is a physics theoretical, no? And Olavo it's a philosopher, and I believe philosopher, teacher, pedagogist. You work about story. It's intellectual uh, unique. And he began show to us the reality of the world and of the Brazil, principally the Brazil, because it's your country, and he had this theory of review the reality of Brazil. He's a journalist, and he said many times about the intellectual honesty of you ever said the truth. And he's a journalist, and he is a teacher. He studied so much, and he had so many knowledge about the socialist movement, all these things. And the this revolution culture, what happens in Brazil, the band reacted like a fruit of this. Me too. I studied the things what Olavo de Carvalho showed review to us. What in Brazil, few people know this in the past, but with the phenomena Olavo de Carvalho on the YouTube, no, the YouTube review Olavo for many people, for all world, and this being this revolution culture in Brazil. And he is respect for many intellectuals of our world. Um, and so, so many things what he said to us is about the Foro de São Paulo, the conspiracy of socialists to dominate Latin America, Caribbean, but had other things too. What we students, many students of Olavo de Carvalho, turned to be journalists and investigated these things. What Olavo stay reviewing, because it's very interesting. Same, and in reality is crucial because it's like a conspiracy to slave the population of Brazil, slave the population of Latin America, like it happens in concentration camps in Soviet Union, concentration camps in China, what had in Xinjiang, for example, concentration camps of North Korea, concentration camps of the National Socialists, the Nazis of Germany, the National Socialists, the Fascists, who is the socialism of Italy too. I don't know if he had concentration camps in Italy in the time of fascism, but I try show to you the fascism is a socialist movement too, like the National Socialists, the Nazis. What the socialists ever say the lie, the Nazis of the right wing. What is totally false, it's calumny and criminal because Hitler is a national socialist. Your flag of the Nazis is the SS, Soviet Socialism, and a red sun, a background red with a ball illuminating like a sun. This symbol means the cultural revolution of the Mao Zedong. Mao Zedong is called by the Chinese of Red Sun. This is the flag of the Nazis. So the Hitler tried use this cultural revolution of Mao Zedong to spread the Soviet socialism to all world. Is what happens. Hitler is a doctrinator, no? He killed the people, the Jews who had the doctrine more old of the world, who created the Occident, the West, and Hitler, in principle, your strategy is eliminate the doctrine of the Jews, who is the base of the Catholicism, the base of the Christians, who is the society of the West. So Hitler is a doctrinator, no? But he's a doctrinator by the like that verse of Proverbs of Solomon. The father who is a proverb Jew. The father who don't correct your son by the stick, don't love your son. It's like this, a doctrinator. But Hitler used a stick of iron or bullets or weapons of war, no? It's like this. This is a cultural revolution, and really this doctrination of the world and transform the world in a socialistic world. But don't works for the mercy of God, and we stay here, no? We need confront the socialists, because the socialists is this, then try doctrinate the world with you atheist doctrine. And for us of the church, for example, any socialist or Catholic is excommunicated. Don't stay in communion in the church. It's a encyclical of Saint Pope Pio 12. I don't know, Pope Pio 12. He write a decree, and any Catholic involved in socialism stay involved voting candidate socialist is automatically excommunicated in Holy Catholic Church. And I prove it too by the Apocalypse. This movement who persecuted the people of God, like the Jews in the past and the Jews in the recently in the Second Great War, like Hitler, and the socialist movement, is like the beast of the Apocalypse. So for the Christians, the socialist movement who persecute Christians for our world is like the beast of the Apocalypse. So the Christians too needs confronting these people socialists. They don't acceptable socialists inside of the church, the Holy Catholic Church and the evangelicals too. Too in the middle of the Jews, because it's the beast of the Daniel. And the fourth beast of Daniel is this beast who persecute people of God, like Nazis, National Socialists who try to exterminate the Jews by a doctrine who based our civilization. But I say it's like this what Olavo de Carvalho teach us. Think for us sane, for ourselves. Like I learning many theology with the paulricardo.org, the priest paulricardo.org, and the Olavo de Carvalho teach us the dialectics or philosophic techniques, and ever say the truth. And like me is a student of Olavo de Carvalho and the paulricardo.org, priest paulricardo.org. Olavo teaches to make this work of say the truth and investigated and construct this rational I don't know. These means these things, these things. What do I find research? Um, like the React band made their sound, who is a maybe a owner to Olavo de Carvalho. I stay try honor my teacher too, making this work of a teacher or journalist now. Um, in this investigation of today, I will show to you the first the principal persecutor of my persecute of me in this situation. I political persecutor and the religious too. A refuge here in Argentina because Lula began a persecution against me. Happens things complicated, but what we can prove it more easily is the I begin write your crimes on the internet. Like a journalist, many journalists of Brazil was persecuted by Lula, like Paulo Figueiredo, Alan dos Santos, Eusébio Eustáquio, and the others, many others, Rodrigo Constantino, many journalists, many politicians, judges, many people who try made their work based in the Ten Commandments, like our society, Christians. We try had a life honesty, say the truth on the radio, or say made the sentences just and Lula is a criminal, and it is automatically put us in the side of the opposition of Lula. So Lula needs to persecute these people, and the socialists made anything to the power. So it's about this what I go say today. Is this anything what the socialists can made to be elected and get the power? Like Dilma, who is minister of Lula and was vice president of Lula too, and was the successor of Lula in the schemes of corruption in the state of Brazil. She said at time, we is able to make the devil in time of elections. Anything, no? The devil is a term in Brazil who then is able to can make anything to be elected in Brazil. Anything. This implicate crimes, no? Implicate crimes. And is this about this what I go review to you these days, this day. This is the Operation Lava Jato in Brazil, who born in investigation, then said about the gas station, what laundry money is the origin of these investigations. But had the operation investigation in Brazil called Janus. And this Operation Janus, in the end of this investigation, the money, the gas station who launder money is enterprise of the brother of Lula. It's called Frei Chico, this brother of Lula. Is the oldest brother of Lula. Is a enterprise to launder money, and this man is the oldest brother of Lula. In this investigation should reveal this. But had other elements like the nephew of Lula sending money to this place, the sum of the treasury of Labor Party involved in a front-face enterprise to launder money together the nephew of Lula. And this man, this sum of this treasury of PT, is some of these men in this image. This man is called João Vacari Neto, who is a treasurer of Labor Party and a close friend of Lula. It's like the treasurer of Lula. This man stay involved in this case of corruption in Mensalão, in Petrobras, and in this operation Janus, who is the investigated the nephew of Lula, and the nephew of Lula stay involved with the son of this man, João Vacari Neto, who is treasurer of Lula and the Labour Party, who stay involved in other crimes with Enterprise of Brazil, Public Enterprise of Brazil, Petrobras. In the Lava Jato operation, had this scheme of laundry money, of stolen money, public money, and laundry money too. And the director of connected with the Labour Party in the Petrobras is called Renato Duque, who had this symbol of PT, right? PT means Partido dos Trabalhadores in the Brazil, but it's the Labour Party or the Democrats of the United States or the Labour Party of the United Kingdom, London, England. And in Brazil, it's the movement of left, the leftists, the socialists. In Brazil, is the Labour Party, the Partido dos Trabalhadores. And in this case, this other man, Paulo Roberto Costa, is important on this case because he began review to the authorities how works this scheme of the launder money and stolen money of Petrobras by these politicians. These politicians nominate these agents to the public enterprise, and the Congress authorize, legalize the situation, and these men begin fraud contracts, deals, and the corrupt of the government begin stealing this money. And this man began review this case, and he go far away. He said about the case of Celso Daniel. Celso Daniel is the mayor, was assassinated in 2002 in the year electoral to presidency when Lula was elected. But it's a complicated case because Lula is a deputy in this time, and he is a legislative man. He is not an executive man. But Celso Daniel is an executive man, and by the logic of the party, he is the first what Lula to be a candidate to be president. And he had more capacity what Lula to be president because he's a teacher, he's an economist, Celso Daniel. He is fidel to the principles of the Marxism, the socialism, these things of the Labour Party and the socialists, and had a corruption scheme in Santo André, what Celso Daniel stay involved with because it's the politics of this crime organization, the Labour Party in Brazil. Then the politicians stolen budget public and sent it to the party came to the power and created the socialist utopia. So by the more of the socialists is permitted stolen by the good and the well of the population, the proletarians. What is false is only a crime organization with good speech. So Celso Daniel stolen this money and sent to the party. And Lula don't. Lula stolen this money, he gets to himself. And Celso Daniel find the opportunity to, because Lula want to be president this time, and Celso Daniel go complain this do the Ethics Council of PT to remove Lula. Lula corrupted the socialist cause. He stays stolen for himself, and this remove him of the Labour Party, who believes in the way justificate the ends. But Lula corrupted this moral. He began stealing for himself. And Celso Daniel don't. And Celso Daniel create a report And with this report, he was kidnapped, tortured, and murdered. And this reported disappeared. And this case is Celso Daniel. This case is about a murder case who stay involved the dome of PT, Labor Party, who is Lula, Dirceu, Gilberto Carvalho, Marcos Valério, and the others, the founders of PT, Labor Party. Lula is involved in this murder. He's like the first suspicious because he is the first benefited by this death. And happens other in the similar situation, other executor man candidate to be nominee to be candidate to presidency in the PT, like adversary inside of the party to Lula, Celso Daniel, and Toninho do PT de Campinas, who was assassinated too. And the two cases with Lula in the presidency and the administration administrate the country, these investigations don't happen. These investigations end without solution. This said so much, no? And Lula go to the presidency, this happens, and Paulo Roberto Costa, in the investigations of the scheme of corruption Petrobras, he rose these suspicions about Lula, because Lula stay involved with this, the Labour Party stay totally compromised, exposed in this situation of corruption Petrobras, and Paulo Roberto Costa rose the suspicions about the Lula, José Dirceu, Vacari, all these people. And Paulo Roberto Costa died with a cancer. He's a man young man, had a style of life of a man rich who cares of your health, you know. And this man died of cancer, a young man. And other man who ought to die with cancer too is the man of the case Celso Daniel, who is young, is athlete, and he died of cancer. But is very hairy man of this condition die of cancer, like a fire burn. And this man was condemned like the unique leader, the unique responsible for the murder of the Celso Daniel and the kidnapping and all these things. But and the police say it is a common crime. Was totally false because 8 people die in this situation. 8 testimonies die in this crime. How this can be a common crime? If 80 people die in this situation, is a political, a mayor of a big city of São Paulo, how can be, don't have the suspicions and big things back of this? It's clear these marshals too stay working in this case of obstruction of the law and end the investigations fast and put a rock over this corpse, you know. And these people influence, like Lula. Lula can be the president of the country. He nominated the judge Eros Grau, who shielded José Dirceu, who the prosecutors of the state want to investigate. And the Eros Graus nominee by Lula shielded José Dirceu and don't lead the public ministry of Brazil investigate this man. And don't investigate this man, shielded the José Dirceu, shielded automatically Lula, who is the boss of José Dirceu. And the other suspect, one of the first suspects, who is the Gilberto Carvalho, who is secretary of Lula, José Dirceu is Minister of Lula, and all these people don't investigate it, automatically shielded Lula. And who nominated this judge? Lula. So he's the first suspect and created this obstruction of the law. So Paulo Roberto Costa, he complained the situation to the police, direct to the police, in a investigation who stay making a earthquake in Brazil. The Lava Jato operation arrests so many corrupts of the state who is in the past untouchables. These criminals stay stolen the state, all population knows, but no one can make nothing. But the operation Lava Jato began arresting many people. Yeah, many of these criminals, these powerful criminals, like you arrest Lula, arrest José Dirceu, arrest Genuíno, arrest many people. Renato Duque, Paulo Roberto Costa, Bonlai, all organization closely of Lula. And the Operation Lava Jato said the chief of this operation is Lula. But Lula, like a president, nominated so many judges in the state. And these judges nominated by Lula, these judges what work personally to Lula, remove him of the jail. Cancel all proofs, cancel the sentences, and cancel all sentences of all instances what condemned Lula. In Brazil, third group of judges distinct condemned Lula by launder money, corruption, criminal organization, and the Supreme Court, what Lula is the president nominated these names, these corrupt judges of Supreme Court, like Alexandre Moraes, Ricardo Lewandowski, Gilmar Mendes, Dias Toffoli, Cristiano Zanin, for example, works directly to Lula. Is attorneys personal of Lula, two of these ministers of Supreme Court. These judges cancel all investigation of Lava Jato, cancel all proofs, and remove Lula of the jail and all this criminal organization of Lula. It's like a state attack. These judges made a state attack and remove this crime, Lula, of the jail, and worst, fraud elections in Brazil, and put him again, this criminal, in the presidency again. And how these judges fraud elections in Brazil? These judges was nominated by Lula, and this judge of Supreme Court is the presidents of the Electoral Court. And the Electoral Court of Brazil is Orwellian dystopian. It's computers what made the count of the votes. So a boy, a script kid with a malware in your pen drive can fraud election in Brazil. But this boy stay hiding inside of the data center of the Electoral Court, and in the time you write, put your pen drive in the computers, and this malware fraud election in Brazil. Is the situation of Brazil? These ministers say don't have fraud in Brazil, but we in this, I work with computers. I know what is a computer. It's a machine, and you can make anything with a computer. You can create games, you can edit an image, we can edit a music, you can make anything. So the computer accepts all things. And these judges said this system is untouchable. What's it? Totally false. Totally false. Anyone who works with computers knows all systems had your vulnerabilities, and these judges stay by your speeches. The systems untouchable, unbreakable. This information is totally false by the logic of the system. all systems had your vulnerabilities. All systems don't have known system without ports, without doors. So is a, a, a fallacy, classic fallacy. Classic fallacy is premeditation based in a false premise. Is the judges of the Supreme Court lying to the people too, making political speeches. Um, and they had so many situations of fraud in Brazil, like people throw these computers in the middle of the jungle. The people who go vote in a candidate and contabilize it to other candidates. Many for our country, many videos on the internet about this. And these judges said don't. This don't exist. Who say this is a spreader of fake news, and it will be charged by the justice. Who is this this inquiry is in the hands of the Alexandre de Moraes, who is like a plague of Brazil. Is a man who begin persecuted all citizens who don't accept your terms. And so had this conspiracy in Brazil. These judges put Lula in the presence, but we don't understand for what. For what anyone can want Lula in the presidency, because had other things bigger. Like I believe had a conspiracy in Brazil, and the CCP, the dictatorship, socialist dictatorship of China, control the many countries of Latin America by your supercomputers too. Like the judges of Brazil don't made now sentences unilateral, then get the case and then oneself and self made the decision, and these judges stay making numbers so many big about this super is out of the normality. Like judges stay making 10,000 sentences, anyone for a year. What is totally absurd, because I had a case in the Supreme Court in Brazil too about a work what I had, and this work is unconstitutional. Like, and it is trabalhista, it's of the work, labor case, and this sentence don't out for 20 years, and these judges made sentences 10,000 for years. What's totally absurd. So if you made a relation about this, 20 years to any sentences is so many big the time of these judges can make your sentences. It's like you can perhaps a system of automatization. Computers make these decisions, and had problems on this. Who is these computers? How computers these men they use, because don't have this infrastructure in Supreme Court. What's they happens? I believe this is of China. China, if your computers made the decisions in Lawfare International, and these judges get the sentences, and by these tribunals, like it happens in Venezuela, by the tribunals then go forming the country. Like you deny the sentence of this man who is a conservative, and benefit a socialist who had a case. So you made a economical difference in the opposition, like this opposition socialist now with your sentence benefit him, now can buy a radio, and this other conservative who don't have your case, he don't receive your money of your case, like me, for example. My case stay 20 years on this court. I don't receive this money. I can't create my radio, but the socialist, yes. And this create a situation of conflict of the ideology inside the country. So then use this tribunal to create this environment of dispute or ideological. Venezuela happens this. Hugo Chavez made your attack against the state by the Supreme Court. He nominated many judges, and these judges began to destroy the country, destroy the Congress, destroy all things. In Brazil, state happens the same. These judges stay destroying the country, removing the criminals, the dangerous crimes of the jail, dismantling the investigation against these criminal organizations, and really put this criminal organization in the power of the country again. What happened with Lula? And is the case of the Lava Jato. And this director of the PT inside of Petrobras, who was nominated by the Labour Party, he said Lula knows all scheme of corruption inside of Petrobras. He said this in this investigation of the Lava Jato operation to the judge Sergio Moro, who is senator today. Because the people approved what the Sergio Moro made. Like he's a judge, he go to the dispute political charges, and the people approve elected him senator. So the people stay with the senator Sergio Moro, who is the judge who arrested Lula. And Renato Duque is this director of Petrobras, who revealed to the scheme of corruption of the Labour Party. And he said Lula know all schemes of corruption Petrobras, and all people call Lula of big boss, big chief. So Lula is the chief of this criminal organization who stays stealing money of Petrobras. And Renato Duque, a director nominee in Petrobras, said this. Testimony of Mr. Renato Souza Duque, who is Renato Duque. He began works in 2002, who is the election of Lula. January of 2003, who is the first mandate of Lula. He was called by the president of Petrobras, I believe, who is nomination of Lula, probable, and the nomination to be a director of Petrobras. Who give these names to directors of Petrobras? He said the government. The government is Lula and the Congress. The Congress in this time of Brazil is socialist. The Labour Party had the dominance, and had the other cases too in the situation called mensalão. Mensalão is Lula giving this money stolen in public enterprises and buying support political inside of the Congress. To the Congress approve your measures, like he divided the budget of the government with these corrupts, and then of the Congress approved your names, your nominations, like these judges of Supreme Court, like these directors of Petrobras, these things. It's a conspiracy. It's a criminal organization prepared to steal the state and create absolute control. Government funds is an ordinary case, the corruption of the public enterprises. This man who was known by the Congress, the socialists of the Congress, the Labour Party, and the nomination of the president, The director is nominee of the president, and is approved by the Congress. This man said is ordinary the relationship with politicians, and this enterprise give money to these politicians too. If he asking if it's an obligation. He said it's not a obligation, but it's a consequence, like it's part of the system. The treasury, João Vacari, the treasury of the party go and get money of this public enterprise. João Vacari is a nomination of Lula and a close friend of Lula too, and stay involved in this front-face enterprise, T7 Entertainment, T74, T74 with the nephew of Lula, who is a front-face enterprise, don't had nothing in this enterprise. Had nothing, is a clear front face to launder money. And this son of Vacari Neto and the nephew of Lula working to send the money to the brother of Lula in a gas station to be the end of the launder money and a contact closely of Lula to launder this money. Is institutionalized this corruption. The corruption staying in all places. All is like the work. From the period of 2003, 2014, who is the two mandates of Lula, the two mandates, and the mandate of Dilma too, who is minister of Lula and vice president of Lula. And Lula stay ever close of she. Lula Inácio da Silva, your mandate, 2003, 2011. And he stay now in the power by this conspiracy with the Supreme Court of these judges nominated by Lula and Dilma, who remove him of the jail and then control the Supreme Electoral Court too, and fraudulent elections put the Lula in the power, because Lula don't had none people will vote in this crime were condemned by stolen money. The population not voting Lula. And had a candidate so many strong in Brazil, who is Jair Messias Bolsonaro, was like a Moses. The people stay following him in all places by millions. And it's totally false, this possibility of Lula be elected. By the shadow of the images of the TV, Lula don't appear on the streets because don't have people with him, because he don't have a budget. He stay out of the government. He don't pay for the militants go put your press in your manifestations. But Jair Messias Bolsonaro is a phenomenon in Brazil, and all people follow him free, don't pay nothing. But Lula ever pay to your militants appears like extortions in the union of workers. The people don't support Lula. The people was fired of this union who control the workers. Who is this in Brazil? It's like the Soviet Union. The control of the socialists is like Soviet Union. It's a state below of the real estate, and had this problem in Brazil. Lula was president this time of these nominations. Lula é conhecido por chefe. He was called of Big Boss. Big Boss, who is the biggest, the one. He is the chief maximum. He know all these schemes, he coordinate all these things. This is what this director of Petrobras they say. And these complaints, these judges nominated by Lula in the Supreme Court cancel all this. And they remove Lula, what is totally absurd. These men give proofs, give your testimonies, and the Supreme Court ignorating the sentences of the instances below 1, 2, 3, cancel the proofs and remove Lula. And all this judge is nominated by Lula. And Lula stays saying to him, go, a man go talk with you. Stay recomendando homem, I stay recommend a man to talk with you, who go work with you in the Petrobras. And this man is the Vacari. The Vacari is this man, this criminal, launder money, who was deflagrated in the Operation Janus, your son, in other criminal organization, T-74, with the nephew of Lula, in this scheme of the launder money of Angola to the brother of Lula in this gas station, who is a car wash in the Operation Lava Jato. And this money came from Angola. In other scheme of Lula give money to the dictator of Angola, the one of the men more corrupt of the world, and the daughter of this man is the woman more rich of Africa, and this corrupt man receive money from BNDES of Lula with permission of Lula, and an enterprise corrupt called Odebrecht, a close friend of Lula too, made this work and hired the enterprise of the nephew of Lula, who don't have expertise in the area, don't have formation in this area, only for transfer money. And made these works, receive millions of dollars, and this money go to the brother of Lula in Brazil again. In a car wash gas station, which is the Operation Lava Jato. Description. Ele foi chamado para ir para Brasília. He was called to go to Brasilia, who is the place where stay Lula, and talk with the Minister of State, I believe, José Dirceu, who is the advisor of Lula. He talked with other minister, who is Paulo Bernardo. Paulo Bernardo is a corrupt too, condemned husband of the Senator Gleisi Hoffmann, who was other corrupt of PT, was president of PT, I believe, and is a big corrupt too. Working very closely of Lula. Really, this woman has a nickname, who of lover. Your nickname in the lists of the criminals, in the list of payments of Odebrecht, this woman is called of lover. And all these things is about Lula. So this woman is like lover of Lula. Very close, and is a big corrupt woman. And Paulo Bernardo work to Lula too. This is me, my old channel. My first channel, what was cut the monetization, because happens this in Brazil. All people who stay working in the internet to promote politics against the socialists, like my channel, the Digital Phoenix, was censorship, was removed the monetization. So I stopped with this for many years. And in really now, the socialists try stealing this material of my ownership. I don't know for what. Why then try stealing my channel, who stay stopped, and you really, by the provision of God, I lose my password. I don't can access this account again. But was cut the monetization, and I write so many, I put many videos of Lula, your crimes of Dilma, and crimes of the son of Lula. And this stay like a monument. I lose the password, I can't access again, and no one can touch this my old channel. I don't understand for what this man tries to in this channel. I don't know for what. But this eagle, for example, is about the seminar of philosophy of Olavo de Carvalho, who is my teacher. But I a man of the computer science. This one and zero, one and zero, one and zero is the binary system of the computers. Who is the base of the computers? Is the binary system. I inverted this eagle in the using GIMP. Is green and black. Who means Black Sabbath, who is a band what I like, but to the fulgor of the Killer Instinct. This is about my personality. I don't know for what this Kranos tries stealing this. I don't know for what. But don't care. When came the time, I understand. I write these things in this old blog, my old channel of YouTube, and I believe this is very famous now. I don't know. Okay, no. In this case of the Paulo Bernardo, the Gleisi Hoffmann, all this, Paulo Bernardo is the minister of Lula, the wife of Paulo Bernardo is lover of Lula, so they totally involved emotionally, all things, no? Corrupted, all things. The Breast Barber scheme makes Lula, Palocci, and Paulo Bernardo defense in the new trio. This man voted is the Paulo Bernardo. This other man is Palocci, who is a minister of economy of Lula, who complained Lula too about her crimes. A minister of confidence of Lula. And Lula is the boss of these men. All the activity of these men stay over observance of Lula. Lula is the boss of these corrupts. This in 2006. Ministro Antônio Paulo Bernardo with President Lula. And Lula know everything. Former Petrobras director tells to Moro, the Judge Moro, Senator Moro now, in this time Judge Moro of the first instance. A smaller judge of the first instance who judged the cases in the first, in the beginning of the things. The citizens come. Like Lula is not present more, so he is a citizen again, and the court who judge citizens is the first instance, and the citizen can go to other instances by the complexity and your your requirements. And Lula exhausted 3 instances. And after this, the judges of Supreme Court stolen the jurisdiction, cutting, putting fire in the Constitution, stolen the jurisdiction of these judges of the first instance, the third instance, all instances what Lula can request, and get the case of Lula to your instance of Supreme Court. Supreme Court only can judge politicians in the charge. Lula is not a politician in this charge. And these judges, nominated by Lula, put the fire in the Constitution, get the case of Lula, cancel all proofs of the other instances, and no one talk about this. People who called Lula of thief was condemned. The politician, the deputy Nicolas Ferreira, for example, he was prohibited by Alexandre de Moraes of calling Lula of ladrão, a thief. And Lula was condemned 2 times for be thief. and this Supreme Court canceled the sentences and shielded Lula. Is the case. The Paulo Roberto Costa, director of supply, began said about this assassination of Celso Daniel, and he was assassinated too. He is a young man and died with cancer. What is strange, is suspicious too, because it's the same thing what happens with Sergio Sombra. What is a young man, athlete, what died with cancer, to finally burn and put a rock over the case of Celso Daniel. And the Paulo Roberto Costa is saying specific about the case Celso Daniel. Paulo Roberto Costa, former director supply Petrobras and the first whistleblower on Lava Jato, the first complaint in the Lava Jato corruption scandal. He died in age of 78 in Rio de Janeiro from cancer. He can be contaminated with material who can give cancer with you, like it happens with Sergio Sombra. This is the case of the Santo André. Paulo Roberto claims that Lula works party assassinated Celso Daniel. Main center for collection regular money of PT. PT is the Workers' Party, Labor's Party. PT campaigns in Santo André. This is the prefecture of Santo André. 30 years ago, Santo André was the main center for collection regular money to PT campaigns. Lula está envolvido nisso, José Dirceu, Marcos Valério, Gilberto Carvalho, secretary of Lula, all this dome of Lula and Labour Party. Paulo Roberto Costa, who died with cancer after give testimony about the system of corruption Petrobras of the Labour Party and the other parties, and to citate the case who is involved in Lula, José Dirceu, Marcos Valério, and Gilberto Carvalho. But in this case, only had one of the situation, who is Lula. And this man was died with cancer. For saying this, put these suspicious, rose these suspicions again. I have a concern for my physical safety, he said, because I'm afraid. We are talking to very important people, President of Brazil, the politicians of the Congress. There is important people. There is the police officer of the federal police say there is no story of violence, right? In the beginning, Paulo Roberto Costa said the case is Celso Daniel. The police officer said, but you think it's from their team, the corrupts of the Petrobras? And he laughed. It's clear, you know? Like this man, these questions of this police officer, this man is a kid. Stay kidding with me. And this case of Celso Daniel had this picture very important. Is Marisa Letícia and Celso Daniel, the convenient deaths of the PT, the convenient deaths, because Marisa Letícia is Lula use, she like alibis, like the apartment is of the Marisa, the sitio is of Marisa, all these things, like use the corpse of your wife like the guilt for your crimes. In Celso Daniel too. Is a picture of the sepulchre of Celso Daniel. It's very important, this picture, because Lula stay reveal your uncontent, disgusting with the presence of the José Dirceu front the corpse of Celso Daniel. Lula stay showing you discontentment, disgusting, public to all people, making a scene, a theater, like he stay angry with José Dirceu. For what? Because he stay holding the hands of the widow, the girlfriend of Celso Daniel. What this means? Like José Dirceu is the guilty for the death of Celso Daniel, and how he dare hold the hands of the widow, no? And with this face of this disguised. This is the sepultament of Celso Daniel. Then Lula stay making a scene, no? Like I stay hungry with Dirceu. It's not me, was Dirceu. No? And the socialists had this problem. No? Then disappear with the proofs, like this is the picture of then the sepultament of Celso Daniel, and closely of this image stay the box of Celso Daniel stay just lying down. And Lula stay crying close of Dirceu, and Dirceu don't show nothing problem. Don't have problem on this. But Lula stay making a heroic scene of politician and cry to all people look at this. No? And Marcos Valério, who is a treasury tool of PT in this moment, who stay in this system of corruption, he stay receiving money of Gilberto Carvalho, who is the secretary of Lula, but he stay working closely with Celso Daniel in Santo André. Marcos Valério received this money, this flow of money of Santo André, Celso Daniel, by Gilberto Carvalho to head office of Labour Party, who stay Dirceu, Lula, and Marcos Valério, who stay in the dome of Labour Party. Marcos Valério said, Lula is one of those who ordered the murder of Celso Daniel. He was stalked by a criminal called Ronan Maria Pinto, and it was payments, movement of money paying this stalkist. This man stalked Lula, and this man was paid. And Marcos Valério said, Lula is one of those ordered the murder of Celso Daniel. And he stayed very close. He's an advisor of Lula, he's the treasurer of Lula in this time. And this man was tortured in the jail too. And this man received the biggest punishment of the prison, the schemes of case, because he is a delator. He is a traitor of the cause of the Lula. And this man was persecuted by the members of the Labour Party. This is a picture of the son of Lula, who turned to be billionaire when Lula turned to be president. Lula is a man poor, and he turned to be billionaire. Your son turned to be billionaire. And like the most corrupt man of the Angola, her daughter is the woman more rich of the Africa continent. And the court broke the bancary sigilos of Lula and reviewed many donations of these corrupt enterprises, of these schemes of Odebrecht, Camargo Correia. These enterprises receive works of the government of Brazil in partnership in a country like Angola, Venezuela, Cuba, and these enterprises receive these payments of the government, with big payments, super valorized, and returning money for these political agents who made these loans. And Lula said to Dilma, uh, who judged Lula in the first instance, I had I stay afraid. I had scares of the Republic of Curitiba, because Curitiba is this operation of Jato who is arresting all these corrupts. And Lula in this talk with Dilma stalked and threatened all state, threatened Dilma, the Supreme Court, the Congress, all people, and say, I'm go give my collection to the public ministry. After say all these people is coward, all politicians is coward, all the Supreme Court is coward, and I will give my collection to the public ministry. He stay record this, and Dilma Dilma answered to him, made this, and I go give my collection too. Like then had material of crimes of all these people, and then don't give to the authorities. Then had like proofs of crimes of others, like material of extortion. Then can extort the many people, and like bandits recording all these things, and anything happens with me, you go fall together. And the legal partner had a connection with FARC, with the terrorist organization, PT and FARC stay together for São Paulo, and the FARC is a criminal organization who work with cocaine, kidnapped political opposition, FARC assassination, Colombia opposition leader, LNL kidnapped airplanes. Is a terrorist activity, assassination of political opposition, like Celso Daniel was assassinated too. And the 30th anniversary of the death of former Santander Mayor Celso Daniel, Secretary-General Presidente Gilberto Carvalho, who is Secretary of Lula, Gilberto Carvalho de Lula. Persecutor and guys, I need to go. The time end. God bless you. Beleza, então.